Hey, what's up, guys? So we got a lot of moped stuff to do today, so I figured I'd kind of do like a vlog thing here, because we got a lot to do today. We gotta drop off a bike, we gotta pick up a bike, we gotta do some photo editing. We got some people coming over to look at some bikes, so I gotta drive a while. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for the journey. So let's go. So starting off the day with the coffee, and we did a photo shoot last night, so we gotta, well, I have to go through and edit what we got. I really don't like doing photo shoots of myself because I don't know, it makes me feel a little weird, but the photos came out great. I just gotta finish editing them, and we're gonna head off to the next thing here. All right, so the next thing we gotta do is load up the bike. I already loaded it up because I wasn't expecting to do a video, but here she is. I just got it laid down there because it's actually going to end up getting chopped up by the guy that I'm selling it to. It's going to be some wall art in a motorcycle bar, which is kind of cool. And then I have to pick up a Puch Maxi. I'm actually hoping that a guy comes and looks at this today. It's a 2003 Kinetic TFR. It's an okay bike. It's got a few issues with it. It's got like some torque loss, but other than that, it's been like completely restored. A lot's been done to the bike, yeah, I think he'll like it. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm also selling a parts bike with it too, so only time will tell. So I forgot that I actually applied some chrome polish to the to some of the chrome pieces, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off right now. It's actually for this bike right here. I have the motor up there, so all I really got to do left is I got to clean what's left in this box of parts here. So it really isn't much. I got to like sand the exhaust, I got to clean some paint and stuff, and put the bike back together. So stay tuned for that. That'll be on my channel soon, and keep watching the TikToks and stuff, and you guys will see it all. All right, so here we go, about to hit the road. I got some merchandise I got to drop off to a guy, and then first stop, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a bike that I bought maybe about a month ago or so, and a buddy of mine that I'm dropping this off to actually ended up picking it up for me. So I got to get that out of his way so he can get his bike ready for the season. So here we go. Oh no, my engine light. I'm just kidding, that's been on for over a year. All right, safety first. Let's ride. All right, so we're going to Rochester today. I'm gonna meet up with a guy that's got a motorcycle shop. I sold him an Indian moped a while ago, and I have a parts Indian in the back that I'm going to sell him. I think he's going to cut it up, take half the frame, mount it on the wall, and sell it to a biker bar that's like kind of like wall art. And then the other Indian that I sold him, he's going to be using like the motor, the carburetor, maybe the wheels, you know, all the other parts for that project that they're working on. And then I have some merch I got to drop off, and a guy that picks up bikes for me up that way. Oh, here's the bike. Pretty rusty and pretty crusty. Alright, so we made it to the spot here. I'm gonna drop off one of the bikes. It's unfortunately the one underneath here, so I'm gonna have to lift my new bike off. So check it out, guys. Here's the bike I'm dropping off. It's got like some cool bullet holes in it. It's actually an Indian bike. It's made by Indian. Look at these guys. Look at the shop here though. It's pretty sweet. They got some really cool stuff inside too. So we got the new Pook Maxi all ready for its journey to go home, and yeah, I'm about to just drop off the Indian, and then we're off back to Buffalo. All right, another successful meeting with those guys. I didn't have enough time to show the shop off, but yeah, those guys are awesome. I'm sure you guys will see their shop at some point here. And yeah, so I was a silly boy this morning and left without getting anything to eat, so I gotta stop and woo! So we got it back. We got the new Pook Maxi back, and I don't really know what its plans are, but yeah, so now I pretty much just got to prep some bikes for later today. I got some people coming to look at some bikes and go from there. So, but yeah, thanks guys for staying tuned, and you know, follow all the social media platforms to continue to watch stuff get done and as they come for sale. So thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and see you guys next time.